Hello. In this tutorial, I will discuss the key considerations when modelling chilled water loops. I will show you how to add a chilled water loop with fan coil units by loading a HVAC template, and then review the edit dialogs for the loop and the system components. In this tutorial, I will focus only on the chilled water loop and won't repeat the general loop.
You can access the full tutorial from Designbuilder's website here. This page contains our extensive range of free tutorials, including an introduction to the software and more details on Designbuilder's key capabilities and workflows. The tutorials are all short, enabling you to quickly and easily view the most important details in your areas of interest. They provide an excellent guide for anyone wanting to evaluate Designbuilder. A direct link to this specific tutorial is included in the video description.